to my channel. It is June, which means the weather is getting warmer and more beach days are coming up. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a beach-inspired mirror glaze cake. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest videos. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
Before making the glaze, I layered and iced a cake with buttercream and placed it in the freezer for a few hours. To make the mirror glaze, you'll need 1½ cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of water, 2/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of white chocolate, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, and 1/4 cup of water to bloom the gelatin. In a small bowl, mix the gelatin with 1/4 cup of water and set it aside to let it bloom. Over to the stove, add in the sugar, water, and sweetened condensed milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir occasionally until the mixture begins to bubble. Next, add the gelatin and stir until completely dissolved. Remove it from the stove and gently pour it over the white chocolate. Slowly stir until the white chocolate has melted. Strain the mixture into a large bowl to remove any unwanted lumps, then divide the glaze between 4 bowls or containers. For the beach theme of this cake, I dyed the glaze into 4 colors: white for the foam, tan for the sand, and turquoise and blue for the ocean. Once all the colors are ready and your glazes have reached about 90 degrees Fahrenheit, you're ready to pour. When it was time to decorate it, I took the buttercream cake from the freezer and placed it onto a circular object on top of a large baking sheet. Slowly pour the tan glaze to one side, the blue to the other side, and then the turquoise glaze down the middle until the cake is completely covered. Using a spatula, mix the blue and the turquoise a little bit to help blend them. Then take a spatula with the white glaze and glide it where the sand and the turquoise meet to make it look like the foam of the ocean. Let it continue to drip for about 10 minutes, then remove any drips around the bottom. And place the cake in the fridge. While the cake is in the fridge, I made white chocolate shells and crushed some graham crackers to be the sand. Take the cake out of the fridge and place the shells and crushed graham crackers on parts of the tan glaze. Sprinkle the graham crackers and place more shells around the border of the cake. Now you're ready to enjoy your beach-inspired mirror glaze cake.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know when the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making this beach mirror glaze cake and I hope you did as well. If If you recreate this cake or any other desserts I've made on my channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your beach mirror glaze cake and have a great day. Bye!